So good morning everyone. So now we are doing our exercise 15.3. In that fifth bit we are doing already. Fourth bit we have completed in last class. So fifth bit, check whether the given numbers are divisible by 11 or not. So given numbers are divisible by 11 or not, we have to check. So here this is fifth bit. Check whether the given numbers are divisible by 11 or not. So already we know the divisibility rule of 11. So first we will write the divisibility rule of 11. So what is divisibility rule of 11? Difference between sum of even digits and odd digits should be a multiple of 11. Multiple of 11, or it can be 0. The result should be multiple of 11 or it can be 0. So this is our divisibility rule. So what is the divisibility rule of 11? That is, difference between the sum of even digits and odd digits should be multiple of 11 or 0. So now we will solve the problems in this. So the first one is 786 764. So it is 7,86,764. So whether this number is divisible by 11 or not, we have to check. So given. So first what we have to do, we have to place the odd places and even places. So odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. So these are odd places and even places. Now difference between sum of even digits and odd digits. So what we have to do, we have to add the even digits and odd digits. The result should be subtracted. So here sum of even digits minus sum of even places and odd places. So what are even places here? Sum of even places means 7 plus 6 plus 6 minus sum of odd places means 8 plus 7 plus 4. Now we have to add them. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 7 will be 19. So 19 minus it will be, so 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 12 plus 7 is again 19. So 19 minus 19 will be 0. So what is that? It will be a multiple of, what is the divisibility rule? Difference between sum of even places and odd places should be multiple of 11 or it can be 0. So we got the result as 0. So it is divisible by 11. So therefore 786,764 is divisible by, it is divisible by 11. So this is our first one. So second one. So second one. What is second one? So second one, 536 393. So whether it is divisible or not, we have to see. So first we have to place the place here even and odd places. Odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. So what is the rule? Sum of even places minus sum of odd places. So what are even places here? That is 5 plus 6 plus 9 minus odd places are 3 plus 3 plus 3. So here 6 plus 5 will be 11, 11 plus 9 will be 20 minus 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So 20 minus 9 will be 11. So 11 is a multiple of 11, so it is divisible. So 11 is divisible by 11. So therefore is also divisible by 11. So this is our second one. Next is C bit. So whether this value is divisible or not, we have to check. Odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. So now, what is the rule? Sum of even places minus sum of odd places. So what are even places here? 1 plus 0 plus 1, and odd places are 1 plus 0 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 will be 0. So 0 is divisible by 11. Yes, it is divisible. So 0 is divisible by 11. So therefore is also divisible by 11. So this is our C bit. So first three are divisible by 11. Now remaining we have to check. Next D bit. One two 1 0 1 2 1. So whether it is divisible or not, we have to check. So first place the odd places and even places in this. Odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. So what is the rule now? Sum of even places minus sum of odd places. What are even places here? 2 plus 0 plus 2 minus, and odd places are 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 4, that will be 0 again. So 0 is divisible by 11, that value is also divisible by 11. So 0 is divisible by 11, so is also divisible by 11. So this is our D bit. So first 4 bits are divisible by 11. Now next bit, E bit. it is 758043. So first place the values odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. So it will be sum of even places and sum of odd places. So even places are 7 plus 8 plus 4 and odd places are 5 plus 0 plus 3. Now it will be 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 7 is 19, minus 5 plus 3 is 8. So 19 minus 8 will be 11. 11 is a multiple of 11, so it is divisible. So 11 is divisible by 11. So therefore is also divisible by 11. So this is our E bit. Next is F. Eight double 3 8472. So this value is divisible by 11 or not, we have to check. So first place the place values odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. So what is the rule? Sum of even places minus sum of odd places. Now even places you add 3 plus 8 plus 7 minus odd places are 8 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, so it will be 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 7 will be 18, minus here 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 7 is 18, so 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 3 will be 11, 14 plus 3 will be 17. So 18 minus 17 will be equals to 1. So 1 is not a multiple of 11, so it is not divisible. So 1 is not divisible by 11. So therefore 8338472 is not divisible by 11. So this is our F bit. Next is G. Five, 4, 6, 7, 8. So whether this number is divisible or not, we have to check. So it is odd, even, odd, even, odd. So sum of odd places and sum of even places. So even are 4 and 7, odd are 5 plus 6 plus 8. So 7 plus 4 is 11, minus here 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 8 will be 19. So 19 minus 11 will be 8. So 8 is not a multiple of 11. 8 is not divisible by 11. So therefore 5, 4, 6, 7, 8 is not divisible by 11. So this is our G bit. Next is H. That is 13431. Odd, even, odd, even, odd. So what is the rule? Sum of even places minus sum of odd places. Even places are 3 plus 3 and odd places are 1 plus 4 plus 1. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 minus 6 will be 0. So 0 is a multiple of 11. 0 is divisible by 11. So therefore is also divisible by 11. So this is our H bit. Next one is I. 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Given. So now first we have to write the place values. Odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. So sum of even places and sum of odd places. Even are 4 plus 3 plus 2 and odd are 2 plus 4 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 is 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9 minus 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0. So 0 is a multiple of 11. So 0 is divisible by 11. So therefore is divisible by 11. So this is our I bit. Next, last one in this, J. That is 168861. So given odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Sum of even places minus sum of odd places. What are even places? 1 plus 8 plus 6 and odd places are 6 plus 8 plus 1. So here 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15 minus 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. So 15 minus 15 will be 0. So 0 is a multiple of 11. So 0 is divisible by 11. So therefore is divisible by 11. So this is our J bit. So with this our 5th bit is completed. Next is 6th bit. What is 6th one? If a number is divisible by 8, then it is also divisible by 4 also. Explain why it is divisible, we have to find. So here what is the question? If a number is divisible by 8, then it is also divisible by 4. So that is why it is divisible, we have to explain. So if you see factors of 8. So what are the factors of 8? Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So these are the factors of 8. So if it is divisible by 8, it will be divisible by 4 also. Why it is divisible? Because 4 is a factor of 8. That's why it is divisible by 8 also. So here, yes, if a number is divisible by 8, it is also divisible by 4 because 4 is a factor of 8. Why it is divisible? Because 4 is a factor of 8. Suppose if you take 16. 16 is divisible by 8. Yes, 16 is divisible by 8. That is how many times? 8 2 times will be equals to 16. In the same way, 16 is also divisible by 4. 16 is also divisible by 4. That is how many times? 4 into 4 will be equals to 16. Why it is divisible like this? Because the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. This 4 is a factor of 8. That's why every number which is divisible by 8, that will be divisible by 4. So this is the explanation for 6th bit. Why it is divisible? Because here 4 is a factor of 8. That's why every number is divisible by 4 also. The number which is divisible by 8, that number will be divisible by 4 also. So this is our 6th bit. Next one is 7th bit. What is the question? A 3-digit number a 3-digit number 4A3 is added to another 3-digit number 984 to give 4-digit number that is 13B7. So which is divisible by 11? Which is divisible by 11. So what we have to find? We have to find a plus b. What is the a value and what is the b value? We have to find first. After that, we have to find what is a plus b value. So if you see this, the first 3-digit number is what? 4A3. And the second 3-digit number, what they are adding to this, that is 984. Gives the result as 13B7. That is 13B7. Okay, so we have to find this a value and b value. So if you see this, 4 plus 3 will be 7. So no borrow has been developed here. So it is, we are not having any borrow value. So for in place of a, you can substitute only one value. What is that? That is 1 itself. So 8, if I substitute, if I take a value as 1, that will be 1 plus 8 is equals to 9. So if I substitute 1 here, 8 plus 1 will be 9. If I take in place of a as 2, it will be how much? It will be 8 plus 1 will 8, 2 plus 1 will be equals to 10. So you are getting 2-digit number. So 9 plus 4 is how much? 13. So in this case you are not having any borrow value. So here what is the a value? A value will be 1 and b value will be equals to 1 plus 8, that is a plus 8, that will be equals to 1 plus 8 is equals to 9. So here b value we got it as 9 and a value we got it as 1. So I hope you have understood. So here 3 plus 4 will be 7. You are not having any borrow here. So we have to find this a value and b value. How to find this a value? And here if you see the next part, 9 plus 4 will be 13. In this case also you don't have any borrow value. So a should be what is the a value? A value will be only 1. So if you substitute a value as 1, 8 plus 1 will be equals to 9. So if you take the a value as 2, it will become a 2-digit number. 2-digit number means it will carry over here. 1 will be carried over here. If you take a value as 2, if 1 will be carried here and this value will be changed. That's why which value I am taking? A value as 1 and b value what you got? A plus 8, that is 1 plus 8 will be equals to 9. So what is the b value? 9. Now what we have to find? We have to find a plus b. A value is 1 and b value as 9, that will be equals to 10. So here a plus b value we got it as 10. So this is our 7th bit and the remaining bits will continue in next class. Thank you.